Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to be solving Stack Overflow problems using Chatgpt. To be able to do this, just go to stackoverflow.com, click on the menu, go to tags, select the programming language you'd like to see the questions for. I choose Python, and I click on active because these are the newer questions, some of them which have answers, some of them which not. If it is green, such as here, that means that answer has been selected to be the correct answer. So let's just begin. I have 4 questions here. The first one is this. This person is wondering that when he's using threading, all Python threads execute on a single core. Okay. And then there's an answer to it, which, from what I understand, refers to the processing module, multiprocessing module instead. Yeah. So 2 people agree on it. Let's just copy this, and we're going to paste it to ChatGPT. We're going to say we are solving Stack Overflow problems. Colon and paste it here. It says it sounds like you're trying to create a multi-threaded program that is limited to using 4 threads. Because one thing to consider is overhead of creating managing threads. It says another thing is to consider is the Python threading module as a global interpreter. To lock GIL or GIL, which only allows 1 thread to execute. I believe this was one of the, somebody was mentioning it here. Yeah. Also, it says, here's an example how we could rewrite your code using multiprocessing module. You might want to consider multiprocessing, which was the exact answer. Okay. Let's not waste any time. Let's move on to the next one. How can I print the original title of top 50 movies from the moviedatabase.org with Python? Okay. Here is the resulting, like a JSON file, or is a, yeah, it is a JSON, I believe, kind of like a dictionary. Okay, there's an answer which says to loop through it because the results have all these as its element, and then only when it is what is it, the title, then original title, then to do it. Well, we're gonna ask it to ChatGPT. Here we go. See what it does. It looks like you're trying to access the original title key of the JSON response. That's true, but it does not exist. Oh, I mean, he's trying to access the or JSON response original title, but that's not a key here. See, because the one key that it has is the results. So instead it says, instead the results key of the JSON response dictionary contains a list of dictionaries where each dictionary represents a movie. You can access the original title of the ith movie in this list by using the following code. So, right, for I in range 50 original title, then the print. Alternatively, you can use a for loop. Yeah, this is the one this person recommends actually for result and results. Yeah, JSON response result. So it's the same thing essentially. So it does answer it. Let's click that. This next one is Python won't write the file. I'm attempting to write a pretty printed email, text-to-text file, right? But it's not working. It says I'm not running into any errors. There's an answer, but let's just copy all of it and ask ChatGPT. What it says. It looks like the issue might be the way you're closing the file. Okay. Okay, closing the file. Oh, let me put this back here. And this is exactly what the person says. You need to invoke the close method to commit the changes. Close. And that says even better. You would be to use the better method is to use the with open. Okay. And it looks like so it mentions the f.close exactly. Alternatively, you can use the with statement to automatically close the file when you're finished writing. Exact same answer. Yeah, great. Fantastic. Next question is Pandas group by mean with an and. So I have the following data frame. And now I want to get the mean of cars over the years for each ID, ignoring the not a value, nans. The result should be like this. I have the following command. Command runs without errors, but it doesn't work. Okay. So let's copy it. There's an answer to it here. And ask Chatgpt. So it says the issue is the mean function is being applied to the entire cars column for each ID. It says this person says to use transform. Okay, to get the mean of the cars column for each ID excluding non-values, you can use the mean function to this skip and a parameter set to true like this. All right. This will compute the mean of the cars, ignoring non-columns. Well, you know what? Let's try this real quick. Well, we'll need to create the data frame. So we won't know exactly. Can you give me another response? So we can't really test it without the data frame. Well, you know what? Let's try turn this into Pandas data frame. Let's do this. Okay. All right. Now we have done it. What was the answer that it gave? Okay, so use this. Oops. Let's try it. Use that and then print df. Let's run it. Oh, it's using mp.net. Oh, it's just supposed to be not sure how to, oh, like that. How do you enter a, I'm not really sure. Like that. Well, you know what? Okay, let's do import numpy as mp. All right, this should do it. Well, you know what? This didn't work. What was its second suggestion? Oh, alternatively. Let's try this. Yeah, is this correct? Okay, 4, 6, 10, 20, yeah. Except the last three values are in the end. The result should be like this. No, it is correct. Yeah, it fixed it. Okay, just was hoping for a short video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and take care.